Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore document picking with iOS UIDocumentPickerViewController step by step clearly. To restore document picking with iOS UIDocumentPickerViewController, start by opening your Xcode project. Ensure that your project is targeting at least iOS 14. Import the necessary frameworks at the top of your Swift file. You will need to import UIKit and Mobile Core services. Create a function to initiate the document picker. Inside this function, create an instance of UIDocumentPickerViewController. Set the document picker's mode to .import. Define the types of documents you want to allow for selection using UT-type. Configure the document picker's delegate to self. Present the document picker modally. Ensure that you provide options to allow multiple selections if required. Implement the delegate methods to handle the selected documents. Use the document picker _editPickDocumentsAt method to receive the selected files. Inside this method, check if the selected URLs are valid and accessible. Handle any errors that may occur while accessing the selected files. If needed, implement the document picker was cancelled method to handle cancellations gracefully. Test the document picker functionality on an actual device. Make sure to provide the necessary usage descriptions in your info.plist file. Implement logic to open and display the selected document as needed. Consider user experience by providing feedback during file selection. After completing these steps, your document picking functionality will be restored effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.